CIOs have a lot on their plate. Businesses expect them to deliver innovation and transformation, drive change, and produce high-impact tools that deliver value, all while making sure nothing breaks. But there's a problem. Several, in fact, including limited resources, talent gaps, and growing demand for custom software solutions. Backlogs grow, progress stalls, and siloed operations keep inefficiencies hidden from view, leaving money on the table. Elite DevOps teams deploy updates nearly 1,000 times more often than lower-performing ones, gaining the speed and responsiveness your organization and customers demand. CIOs are left struggling to balance maintaining legacy environments and building for the future. That's where CDW's Digital Velocity Factory comes in. We apply Lean Agile principles to uncover workflow inefficiencies and automation opportunities, while aligning your teams for faster business results. Our industry-leading end-to-end cloud-native expertise accelerates delivery with modern cloud platforms, while leveraging industry-leading AI-assisted development tools. No more need to build from scratch. And with automation tools like AI-assisted quality and security scanning tools and AIOps, we empower you to scale efficiently and deliver new applications faster. How? Because we've done this before. A lot. We pair deep IT, software engineering, and automation expertise with cross-platform cloud capabilities and trusted partnerships, built-in quality automation processes, and multi-decade experience delivering lean agile processes across the globe. It's time to clear the backlog, modernize your application development approach, and build at the speed of innovation. Amazing happens when your app dev processes deliver value sooner. To learn more about agile application solutions, contact your CDW account team or visit cdw.com/softeng.